ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಇರೋದು ಈಗ ತೈವಾನ್ ದೇಶದ ಮಿಷನರಿ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಹೊರ ದೇಶದವರು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮವರು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳ ಇಂಥ ಮಿಷನರಿಯನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋದು. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕೆಲವು ತಾವು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗವಾಗುವಂತಹ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ, ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಬರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯಮ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಸಹ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಥ ಮಿಷನರಿ, ಇಂಥ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಗಳು ನಡೀಬೇಕು. ಇಂಥ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಅವರ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ನಮಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವಂಥ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಂದು ಇವರು ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಸಹ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ವಸ್ತು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ.
This TaiwaN Excellence launch provides an excellent framework for Taiwanese company to demonstrate their cutting-edge technologies, especially the metal processing technology. And we offer state-of-the-art equipment and solutions that can propel Indian manufacturing on a global scale, fostering a shared future of collaboration, innovations, and economic progress. And we are going to continue to provide the support through technology sharing, training, and collaboration initiatives. And we think the Indian manufacturers they can explore how Taiwanese innovations can help them compete on a global scale, fostering a shared future innovation and economic progress. And I think that India and Taiwan we can foster a long-term partnership between the manufacturers, especially the Taiwanese machinery industry. And we look forward to the more cooperation and that will benefit India and Taiwan. Thank you.
Founded in 2003. Tools and manufacturing. It brings together visionary leaders, innovators, and machinery industry.
Appraiser highlighted the latest EDM machines. Every company TaiwaN's high-performance component and beautiful technological support for CNC machinery, enhancing overall efficiency and stability. At an all-time high of $10.6 billion, making India one of the important trade partners in Taiwan. And up to date, there are about 285 Taiwanese companies making investment in India, and over 60% of them they are located in the southern India, and most of them are in the people. And we expect more and more Taiwanese companies they are going to make investment in India.
Our presenter, Mr. Sefrot, is not going to be.
We sell machine tools, quality and service. 34 years dedicated on machine tools, 2009, 2012, and 2016. From its application to system manufacturing, with its X-axis stroke 100mm as well. On the next slide, the throughput from your
machinery group. We portfolio and also work in the circuit diameter, and also we can control the.
I'm Jagdish, I take care of the sales activity for the Synec India. So in fact, there's a high mix, low volume, but the quality issue and the so there will be a billing type RCH100E in the year 2024, which is to India.
Mrs. June. Thank you, Mr. Jules, Mrs. Stephen, and Ms. Lisa. Thank you.